Buongiorno a tutti! My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today we will be cooking Pane Cotto from the kitchen of Fred Di Santis. For this recipe, you'll need rapini, sausages, salt, olive oil, pancetta, garlic, peperoncino, a savoy cabbage, bread, and potatoes. Pane cotto in Italian means cooked bread. And this recipe is very traditional to the Pugliese region, where whenever bread would be too hard to eat on its own, you would make this dish. And with all the oils and the flavoring from the sausages, the bread would take on a softer texture. As you can see, the bread I have here, I bought some calabrese bread and I left it out for like 2 days, so it's like rock hard. For the first step, you're going to bring 4 liters of water to boil. You're going to add salt and add your rapini and cook it until it's tender. At that point, you're going to remove it and you're going to move on to the next step. For the next step, you're going to take your potatoes and peel them and cut them into about 1/4-inch pieces. And you're going to add them to the boiling water, the same with your savoy cabbage. I would use about half of this as a large cabbage. It's supposed to be a smaller one. I'm going to use about half of this and I'm going to cut it finely. For the next step, you're going to chop your sausage into small pieces and as well cut your pancetta into 1/4-inch slices. At this point, you're going to put a frying pan on the stove to warm, and you're going to put olive oil in there, and you're first going to cook your pancetta until it has more of a crispy texture. At that point, you're going to add your garlic, your peperoncino, and your sausage, and you're going to fry everything together until they're all properly cooked. Immediately following that, you're going to take your very hard bread and cut it into cube sizes, about 1 inch in diameter. And then once you've cut all your bread, you're going to put it in a colander and you're going to pour the hot water that you cooked your cabbage and your potatoes and your rapini over the bread. You don't want to put too much water though, because you don't want your bread to become too soggy. For the next step, now since you have all your ingredients cooked and ready, you're going to take a casserole dish and you're going to layer all your ingredients. The bread, the savoy, the rapini, the sausage and pancetta between the layers, just to give everything more of a moist texture. And then once everything's put together, you're going to put a bit of olive oil on the top and it's ready to serve. Now it's time for the taste test. Everything just looks and smells amazing. I can't wait to actually try it. I'm gonna try the sausage. Wow, this brings back so many memories. Usually in the winter months, Nona would whip up a pot of Pane Cotto when we were visiting, and all the liquids just make the bread nice and soft. Let me try the rapini now. Cooked to perfection. For those of you who want to try this recipe, it's below in the description box. As well, feel free to follow my Instagram page at A Taste of Roseto Valfortore, where you'll find videos, photos, behind the scenes, clips, and you can follow my culinary journey. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you've tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Until next time. Buon appetito. Buongiorno. Mamma mia, I have all these.
The way you worded it sounded
Okay. Be quiet. Let me do it again. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Let's do it again because there's people running around. You're fine. Okay, let's do the whole thing again. Shh, what's going on over there? Until they go. Bye. Adios. Now is time for the taste test. Oh my goodness. There's a friend here who wants to steal my food. No. No.